Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok not letting you follow anyone. So first, you need to open your TikTok app as you can see here on your screen, and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then you will go right here on the profile page. And from here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, and then tap on settings and privacy. Now under the settings and privacy, scroll down and then tap on report a problem. And then from here, you will go here on the settings and scroll down, then tap on these follow, likes, and comments. Once you tap right here, you will go to another page where you can find follow. And here you just have to tap on enable to follow a user. Now, once you've done this one, you will go to this page where you can find all the instructions on how you can fix this problem on your TikTok. But if it's not fixed the issue, just scroll down and go right here at the bottom saying, is your problem resolved? Just tap on no. And then scroll down a bit and then tap on need more help at the bottom of this page. Now here under report a problem, tell us your feedback so you can write here all your concerns on your TikTok. For example, I just want to type, I can't follow anyone. Please fix this problem. Thank you. Then you can also upload this screenshot about this issue on your TikTok. Now once you've done right here, you can now tap on submit, then wait for a few minutes and you'll receive some instructions on your email on how you can fix the problem on your TikTok. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.